Hey guys, there's some things I need to add, but then that will be after I look through all the builds in the 10K Drag Shootout Season 1, 2, and 3. Because I got everything for Build and Battles Season 2 Drag Racing from Hoonigan. But then I need to look through everything for 10K Drag Shootout Season 1, 2, and 3. And then I will have everything planned out for the whole build, which it's going to be a combination of a bunch of parts. But it's going to be a nice build because it's going to be decently quick. Decently quick. I know I meant to max characters. Wait, let me scroll all the way to the bottom because I think. Wait, I think I'm in the right order. Yeah, it should be. But then there's some things I think I need to change and whatnot. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna have to go through it all like I said already once because it's gonna be a crazy build because it's gonna be a combination of a bunch of things. I think there's a few things I know for sure are set in stone. Like the engine's displacement set in stone. The engine, there's a few things that are set in stone that I know of, but then I'm gonna have to re-look through everything. And there's a bunch of things I'm gonna have to change around and whatnot. It's gonna be a beast of a build, I promise you that. And it's gonna be running good. I mean, it's gonna be running good. For especially, it's not gonna be running nowhere near as good as what I could make it run if I wanted to, based on the chassis certification. And there's a bunch of other things I'm gonna be doing, like safety and whatnot. So then, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, best to tap. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.